Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new in haul. So it's basically just like pieces I've picked up over the last few months or so from like a range of stores. We've got a bit of Topshop, Zara, H&M and a few others as well. So yeah, I'm going to show you the pieces. I'll insert clips of me like trying them on as well, and of course everything will be linked down below. So yeah, let's just get on with it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with one of my favourite items, which are these like faux leather shorts from Topshop. I am in love with them, like actually obsessed. I just absolutely love the fit. They're so flattering. I love the colour, it's like a nudie pink. They tie up in the waist. They feel such good quality. I got them in a size 8. I think they're about £32. I've already worn them out, so I don't have like the tags on or anything. The length of them is like perfect. It's not too short, which I find loads of like shorts are always short on me because I'm quite tall. So yeah, and they have pockets as well, in the front and in the back. But honestly, like these I'm gonna wear so much. I feel like you can dress them up really easily for like a night out, or you can wear them in the day with like a little t-shirt and sandals. I also picked them up in the black as well, but I'm not going to bother showing you them because they're like completely sold out online. They don't sell them anymore, so I feel like it's a little bit pointless. Okay, so next thing I picked up from Topshop are a pair of jeans. So I feel like you guys know I absolutely love Topshop jeans, especially their mum jeans. They're like my most worn jeans ever. So I picked up these ones, which again are their mum jeans, but they have like some distressing. So they have a massive rip in the knee here, and then also one higher up on the thigh. But yeah, I've already worn these, so I'll insert a picture of like how I styled them. I think they're great for like going out for dinner and that kind of thing, but you could also wear them in the day with like trainers and a t-shirt. Size wise, I got these in a waist 28, length 32. However, I do have to alter the waist on them. As you can see, I like elasticize the waist so it fits me better. I do have a mini tutorial on how I do that on like my Instagram stories. It's one of my highlights, so if you want to go check that out, I'll link my Instagram down below. But yes, I do have to alter them because the 26 is too small, but the waist 28 is too big. And I think price wise, I think they're around £40. Moving on to something I picked up from Mango. It's this little like white kind of creamy play suit here. Absolutely love this. It's so like chic. The material is so soft and like good quality. It has these kind of like little buttons. They're half like brown, half white, and it kind of belts in the middle, so you can kind of cinch it in really nicely. But yeah, so comfortable. I think it would look great in the summer. I got it in a size small, and I think price wise it's about £45, I think. I'm not too sure, it doesn't say like on the tag. But yeah, absolutely love this. I'll try and insert a picture of me like wearing it. Okay, next up I have some bits from the brand Movement, but it's spelt like MVMT, if that makes sense. So I got two things from there. This is actually sponsored, they very kindly sent them to me. So the first thing I got, let me unpackage it for you. So I got these sunglasses here, which are in the icon style, I think they're called. If you follow me on Instagram, you know like I love this kind of style of sunglasses. I wear them all the time. However, I've only ever had like really cheap pairs and they keep on breaking. I must have spent like £100 in the last year on sunglasses because they just always break. So I'm really glad to like get a nice kind of good quality pair, and you can literally feel like how much better quality these are than like my other ones, which are like £5–10 ones. So yeah, even though they are like more on the pricey side, I think these are £70. But I do have a discount code, I'm pretty sure, so I'll put it on the screen now. Definitely worth the investment if you know you're going to wear them loads. So this is what they look like on. But yeah, I absolutely love them. I just think they're so comfortable, easy to wear. They literally go with everything. But yeah, I'll put a link to them down below. And then the other thing I got from Movement, let me unbox this as well, is this little watch here. Not sure if you can see, but it's such a cute little watch. Let me take the like plastic off it so you can kind of see it better. Okay, so this is what the watch looks like. So it's in the like rose gold. I think the style of this is the Lexington. I think that's what it's called, and it's the 28mm one. But I absolutely love the size of this. I think it's quite dainty. I think sometimes like the big ones can be a bit like chunky and out there, whereas this one's more like understated and, like I said, quite like dainty and cute. So yeah, I will link this one down below as well, and I think price wise it is £109. Next thing I have is a blazer. I feel like everything I'm showing you in this haul is very like neutral tones, but that's like my go-to in the summer. I think it looks like really chic. So yeah, this little blazer here is from Pretty Little Thing. It's like a nudie kind of check blazer. But yeah, absolutely love this. Has tortoiseshell buttons. I got this in a UK size 8. I don't have the price tag, so I'm not sure how much it was, but I feel like Pretty Little Thing's always affordable anyway. So maybe like 35, something like that. Could be cheaper, could be more expensive. Not sure. It will be linked down below anyway. But yeah, I just think you can chuck this on with like denim shorts and a little top, or with like black denim jeans would look really nice. But yeah, I just absolutely love like the colours of this, because it's kind of, it has a bit of a pattern, but it's like not too out there, you know. So the next thing I have to show you is this like gorgeous dress here. It's from Misguided, but it's such a good dupe for the self-portrait one. I bought this because I was going to Polo in the Park the other weekend, and you kind of have to be like a little bit dressy, and I didn't have anything that was like dressy but also kind of sophisticated, if that makes sense. All of my stuff is like either dressy but kind of like clubbing dressy, which you don't really want to be wearing in the day to like a posh sophisticated event, you know. So yeah, picked this up and absolutely loved it. It's really comfortable. It kind of sits off the shoulder. The length of it is really nice. I love that it has like a kind of nude slip underneath, and they also have this in red as well. Size wise I picked it up in a small, and I think price wise it was about £40 maybe, pretty sure. So next up I have a pair of heels, which are from Zara. So I picked these up after Sophie told me to, because basically she had them and said they were like the most comfortable heels ever. And if you know me, you know I am absolutely awful at walking in heels. So I was like, right, I need to pick them up. So I did, and she was right. They're very, very comfortable. Like, if you need a pair of heels that you've got like walk around all day in, then these are amazing. So they've got like a perspex kind of strap here and here, and then also the heel. I kind of need to like get off this label. But price wise I think they're like 25, 29, something like that. But yeah, if you are on the hunt for some like comfortable heels, then these ones I would definitely check out. I think they look really nice as well. They have like a kind of square like toe heel, but it's not too square, if you know what I mean. Okay, next up I have this little like cobbled set. So it's from the website SORELLE, I think that's how you like say it. But basically, yeah, it's a little cobbled. It comes with this white ribbed midi skirt, and then also the kind of like white crop top. So they go together. I got them both in a size small, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It doesn't say on the label, but yeah. But I just think they look so nice together. They're really flattering. You can definitely wear them of like a night out with a pair of heels, or wear them in the day with like a denim jacket and some trainers. That's what I've done. I'd say crop top wise it is very small. Like if you've got bigger boobs, then probably not the best. But otherwise I do think these are like amazing. I love the fit of them. They're super flattering. I feel like I've said that. But yeah, price wise I think they're about £30 or £40 for the set, but I'll link them down below, and they do actually come in other colours as well. Okay, and then one of the last things I picked up is this like jumpsuit here. Definitely needs an iron, but it's from Miss Selfridge, but I got it via Asos. I think it was about £45–50 and I got it in a size 8. But I absolutely love this. I just think it's so easy to kind of chuck on, and you just look like really put together and kind of cool. Even though it's just kind of like one piece, you don't really have to think about what you're wearing and what goes with what. You could definitely pair it with a pair of trainers for more of like a casual daytime look, or with a pair of heels for like a nighttime evening look. But yeah, absolutely love this. I will link it down below. So that is everything I picked up in this haul. I really hope you enjoyed seeing it. Of course I'll link everything down below as usual. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!